Hey guys, I'm Alejandro, and today we're going to paint the new Morbheg from Flesheater. This mount, which is a giant bat. Let me tell you that there is an art behind highlighting dark skin, and for those who think they only need white to highlight, well, they are wrong. In this tutorial video, we will show that the key is in the mix of colors and on the brush strokes to bring life and texture to the fur. So, let's go for it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. But wait, do you want more? Do you want to see the entire process? The details of each painting, the mixes I used, and all the tips I have to offer you? Then don't miss the extended version of these videos.
Here we will only focus on the maximum light.
All this and much more is available on my Patreon. As a subscriber, you will have access to additional content, including the rest of the tutorials to complete this figure. Additionally, there are tutorials to complete other armies. What are you waiting for? Join our Patreon community and get it. And take the creative experience to the next level. Click on the description in the video to subscribe today. See you there and thank you for your support.